Hey everyone, I'm excited to share that I am teaching a font pairing workshop at the League of Moveable Type later in the fall of 2024. And I'm doing some exercises, doing 30-minute sprints, applying different levels of typographic skill and structure to create emotional typography compositions. So the first phase of the workshop will explore how just working with position and geometric shapes, we can create typographic hierarchy and structure first. So that's what I'm doing in this first cycle in 30 minutes. And as we're seeing here, it's very difficult to deal with the problem of how to create hierarchy of order reading that allows for reading of first, second, and third. And right now I'm kind of dealing with the question of how to place the date and how to guide the eye to emphasize reading the first section on top and then working down to the numbers at the bottom, especially when under the first module of the exercises in the workshop, we're only going to be able to work on size. And this is what I got so far.